A luxurious patio features a white pergola with classical columns, a large sectional sofa, and tiled flooring surrounded by lush grass, mature trees, and decorative topiaries. This modern outdoor space features a slatted pergola with stone pillars and cream curtains, housing a fire pit, plush seating, and a fully equipped outdoor kitchen. A dark gray pergola covers a raised deck with modern furniture and a living wall, flanked by palm trees and a pathway lined with vibrant flowers. A beige fabric canopy pergola shades a white seating area within a private patio, enclosed by a wooden fence, lush greenery, and a vertical garden wall. An open-air gazebo with a slatted wood roof sits amidst lush foliage, featuring comfortable seating, spherical topiaries on the lawn, and large planters of blue hydrangeas. This inviting patio features a black-framed pergola adorned with string lights, covering a comfortable L-shaped sofa, while warm sconces illuminate the vertical wooden wall panels behind. A wide-angle view reveals a luxurious covered patio with a wooden ceiling and dining set, bordered by round bushes in white planters and a lush lawn. A contemporary patio showcases a white pergola roof and stone-clad wall, illuminated by warm accent lighting, with comfortable sofas and vibrant purple flowers in the background. A sophisticated outdoor space features a covered patio with stone walls and a fire pit table, flanked by spherical bushes and white stepping stones across the grass. This modern space centers on a rustic stone fireplace beneath a white pergola, flanked by plush sofas and surrounded by manicured landscaping and a stone pathway. A sleek outdoor living area features a dark louvered roof, a fireplace with a mounted television, an outdoor kitchen, and comfortable seating amidst vibrant white hydrangeas. A landscaped backyard hosts a modern outdoor kitchen and lounge under a dark-roofed pergola featuring white pillars, bar seating, and a stepping stone path through the lawn. A white pergola with a slatted roof covers a spacious wooden deck featuring a built-in outdoor kitchen and a cozy seating area with white and gray cushions. This serene outdoor space features a white pergola with a wooden plank ceiling supported by square pillars, housing an outdoor kitchen and comfortable seating on white tiles. A thatched-roofed gazebo with plush seating sits on a lush lawn near a modern white villa, accented by pink bougainvillea, palm trees, and circular stepping stones.